ตัวเหนียวเด็กอยู่
Okay, ready? Fart.
Good.
Shut up, man. Oh, damn. What's wrong with you, man?
This, I bought this with money. Money. Oh my god. This. Oh my gosh.
What are you doing? I'm Johnny!
Good.
¿Lechuga? No quiere. ¿Pollito?
Bro, give us the watermelon, dude. This is where we're at.
Do you like celery?
Rice.
What are you doing?
Criminal offensive side eye.
Внутри.
Ah, damn.
Dungeons and Dragons. I'm gonna be drinking and playing Dungeons and Dragons.
Bella.
That was the point where we began to become the voice.
Hey, buddy, what you doing?
Hi, Frankie, it's Daddy. Oh.
Zara.
Kitty kitty.
Oliver.
Oh my gosh. Jerry. Oh my gosh. Jerry.
Funny Ollie.
Reggie, don't eat him.
Prime Video on my Chromecast from it.
Go search.
De abandono. Gente.
Estamos com um visitante ilustre aqui.
This is Wednesday, 1 a.m. Thursday, excuse me, I'm trying to do my job.
Us in the studio for about 15. Whoops!
That we've been seeing out there here across St. Pete. Hello, Ninja. Trying to steal the show off.
Ладно, домой.
You've in every K position of this.
They follow each other around and then they keep each other company when you're at work.
All the no, you can't do that. The cat wants to make an appearance on TV. It's his debut this morning.
The promise is really on the right, guys.
For example, kung private vehicle.
Wanted to. Whoa. Oh, easy, Kelly.
Today, I'm Nicole DiDonato, live in East Town.
I was dizzy.
Brain.
Dizzy.
Good morning, everyone.
Crazy.
Oh, Louie.
Hey.
Should I get a dog?
Andy, guess what? Chicken butt.
出来吧。
Hey, kissing me again, I'm gonna punch you in your head. What? Don't talk back to me.
So this is my cat. His name is... Really?
This is what happens to bad kitties.
If I wouldn't have moved, she would have hit me.
I have officially entered my Jurassic era. It's giving Faldiloposaurus. It's giving prehistoric chic. Oh, I love.
Excuse me, Linda. You have to cover your mouth. That's disgusting. I'm disgusted with you. You're disgusting.
Why did I think it was a good idea to bury my bone in a beach?
Wait a minute. I think I see something. That could be it. Here we go.
No. It's a seashell. Chug, 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 chug. Yes, dude. Chester, you're a freaking animal, bro. Absolute beast.
Well, someone's got to get the Christmas decorations. If you guys won't, I'll try. Oh, gosh, help me. Oh, this is harder than I thought. Oh, help!
Oh, yeah. Diane said this place was the best, and she was right. Ow!
These kids, I tell you, they got no respect. Just walking outside my house like they own the place. Get off my lawn!
一定要是理想型吗？我不行吗？
Dude, I dropped in, and I was like, whoa, dude! And then, like, I busted a little kick flip, Mick twist, and then I popped up, nose glided the thing on the rail, like switcheroo.
Kind of like this?
Oh, dude! Oh, that was freaking epic!
Do it. Do it. You won't. You won't. You won't. Oh my... Oh, you do it! Brave kitty, wow.
Hey, Sally, you guys still open? I thought maybe I could pick up some kibble.
No, we're closed.
Oh, okay. Well, what are you doing when you get off work?
I told you never to come by my work.
Hey, jeez. Calm down.
Yeah, keep walking.
Okay, little buddy, let's just focus on positivity. Just give me a high five. I promise we're gonna get you out of here. I'm gonna do everything in my power. I know you didn't do it. I know you're innocent. I'm sorry to say I did do it. I did poop in his shoe and I don't regret.
Hey, Trevor.
What do you want?
No, I don't want to fight. They say we're supposed to fight, but you know what?
What?
I love you, man. So much.
Love you too.
You taste so good.
Looky here, mister. I told you to pick up your things, clean your room, and make your bed. And now you're yelling at me? Okay. That is not respectful, mister. That is not respectful. Clean your room.
Hey, Simon, I'm so thirsty.
Hey.
Stop. I just want some water, please.
No.
Come on, Simon.
Hey, stay away from the cat.
No. Okay, fine. I'll go get water somewhere else.
Yeah, we don't fraternize with cats.
Stay away.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 wall balls. It's a new record. Hit him with a left. Hit him with another left. Stick and move. Come around. Get him with a right. Uppercut. Uppercut. Then swing back around. Hold him down. Ground and pound, okay? Whoa. Hey, whoa. Easy. We're just sparring. Bing, bam, bing, bam. Get down. Too slow. You were too slow, okay? You got to do better. Let's try it again. Okay, here we go. Get down. Still too slow, and your butt's up in the air. You got to get your butt down. You're going to get yourself killed. You still get kisses, though.
So you're gonna wanna exhale, yes, legs down and up, yes, push, push, no, push, 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 but yes.
Alright, are you filming? I'm gonna power snatch this big stick right now. Here we go. Oh, no problemo. Oh, I feel fantastic. So pumped right now.
Hey, Jake Paul, you think you're a boxer, huh? You gotta... To be a boxer, you gotta train like a boxer. Man, you got a southpaw? Check out this southpaw right here. Whoa!
Okay, now we're moving into downward facing turtle. Yes.
Oh, peekaboo, I'm here.
I've never done a dive before. How do you do the diving? Is it like this? I did it.
Oh, so thirsty. Hey, come on, keep it on, will you? I'm so thirsty here. Give me some water. Hey, come on, I'm so thirsty. Come on.
Hey guys, welcome back to Cooper's channel. Make sure to like and subscribe and always follow #DoggyVanLife. Look at these amazing views. I'm having such a good time visiting all the national parks with my friends. My life is so amazing.
A little closer. Here we go. We're gonna go for a ride. Yeehaw! Did you get him? Almost.
I'm the little mermaid. Bob, put me down again. I'm the little mermaid. I'm Ariel from the movie. Bob, put me down. I'm the little mermaid. Bob, Mom.
Come on, get in my mouth. I'm so thirsty. Come on, water. Get in my mouth. Why is it not going in my mouth? What is it? There it is.
Well, have some.
Hey, clear it off. This is my water. Oh, Trevor, you think this is a good idea? Whoa! What are you doing throwing the handle away, Trevor? Do you have a license? Okay, these waves look really menacing, Trevor. Okay, I'm glad I have a life vest.
I will never stop kissing you. I will never stop kissing you. Not for 100 years. I will kiss you for 100 years. And I will keep kissing you then for the rest of your life, which will be 400 years. So I will kiss you a total of 500 years.
I'm gonna poop. Gotta find a toilet. I'm gonna poop. Oh my god, where's the fire hydrant? I'm gonna poop. Oh, I'm gonna poop. Oh no.
It's always, who's the good boy? And never, how is the good boy? Oh, I just feel like I'm floating in a sea of emotions. Can't even bring myself to doggy paddle.
I said I'm not freaking talking to you, dude.
Paw.
No.
Oliver.
We're not on speaking terms. No, not paw.
Ollie.
No.
Give me your paw.
Fine. You would.
Dad, how much longer do I have to walk like this? I don't care. I don't want to be in the circus. I don't care that much.
All right, this is it. This is our little bear B&B. Are you excited?
I can barely contain myself.
There's got to be a lockbox or a key or something somewhere around here. Oh, what the?
In there.
Oh, hell no. What in the Goldilocks is? I know, I saw barbarians. I am out of here. We are, come on, Yogi, we're leaving.
Oh, that's good stuff. Oh, that's the best. Whew. Wow. Oh, it's recyclable. No cap. Look at me, I'm like Ethan Hunt in Mission Impossible. More like Ethan Hamster. God, I love Tom Cruise. Ugh. Guess that mission was impossible. It seems NASA couldn't see the irony in putting a tortoise on the inspection of their latest rocket pad. I've been watching them build it for 32 years, and it'll take me 32 more just to get over there to inspect it.
Yeah, I saw your ball somewhere over here on the rough. You sliced it pretty bad there, bucko. Probably should have went with the wedge instead of the driver. Classic rookie mistake.
No way.
Olaf! Oh, I love you so much. Frozen's my favorite movie. You're my favorite character. Can we please take a selfie together?
Oh, that looks tasty. How does it stay floating up there like that?
Oh, I forgot to tell you. I love you. Okay, bye!
Well, here I am walking on the beach. I've got something in my
clam.
mouth. I'd like to leave the cold weather and sail down to the south.
Just a bear
sail
and her
down
clam.
to the south.
Whose butt do I gotta sniff to get a push around here? I mean, higher, please. I would like to go higher.
What is this new bone? Tastes like toe. Not too bad.
Kyle, look at me. Take a break, buddy. You earned it. Plus, I really need to take a dump. I'm sorry. I don't mean to be rude. I don't want to be that dog, but I'm going to have to send this thing back because it tastes worse than my beehole.
High five.
Oh,
Too slow.
Very funny, Rachel.
High five.
All right. Now,
Too slow.
fool me once, shame on me.
High five.
Fool me twice, shame on you, Rachel. You have made me look like a buffoon again, and I do not appreciate it. No, I'm not going to fall for it. As soon as I put my paw out, you're going to pull that hand away. See, watch. Oh, this is why I have trust issues. I've never done a dive before. How do you do the diving? Is it like this? I did it.
I have to poop. I gotta go so bad. I gotta poop. I'm gonna go. Where's the bathroom? I gotta poop. Oh no, I just pooped.
Pizza? Someone say pizza? Oh, I love pizza. You know I love pizza. Is that the pizza? That looks like crust.
Parenting is over for today. These kids have taken everything from me. They've taken my time, my money, and my youth.
What is that? Oh, what is that? Oh gosh. What is that? Oh, it's jumping. No, please, no. Nope.
I've never done a dive before. How do you do the diving? Is it like this? I did it.
Nom 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 nom.
Hey.
What?
No.
Kiss my butt. 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 I'm just gonna eat that pillow. No, I'm just kidding. Can I come have some pets?
Ugh, Kyle, I don't know what's wrong with your feet, man, but they smell worse than a Shih Tzu's beehole. Get them out of my face, dude.
Look at that.
Oh, kibble's coming out.
Nom nom nom. More. More, please. Yeah, more right now. More right now. More. Okay, more. This isn't gonna stop. I hope you know that.
There's no way I'm going in the house with you. Because being out here is not as cold as you saying I was being a bad dog.
I just don't really know what, like, life is now that Barbie and Oppenheimer are over. Like, I can lick this ball all day, but is it gonna bring me, like, peace?